Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel.
Now we're going to show you a very short exercise and step for you to follow us. So let us show you very quick. We are going to be doing this.
Okay, now follow us and we'll do for the followers. So we'll do back 8, back boleo, front boleo, backward 8, back boleo with the right leg, front boleo with the right leg, re-embrace, going to the basic cruzada and resolution.
Alright, now for the leader we are going backward 8, change contraboleo to the side, contraboleo going back, backward 8, regular boleo, backward 8 for both, cross system walking out into the cierre or resolution.
Okay, now we're going to rotate, follow us, and let's try it together.